we did give the lion's share to local manufacturers. But unfortunately, the local manufacturer that we used was not able to produce up to the quality that we wanted. They cut corners. And I think the last time I was at this committee, we promised to blacklist them, which is what we have done. They will not be supplying any more cylinders to us ever again. So, unfortunately, those people now have to come back. They have undertaken to collect the cylinders, which they are taking the cylinders and reworking them.
We need to open an inquiry into that issue, because when we put money like this into 700 million being put by the ad hoc committee, now it is being reduced to 640. We have gas cylinders which have not been delivered to the public for use because of the issues raised from it. Then we need more light on that issue.